people are having these aha moments. Oh, my car really is taking care of me. It's looking out for me. That's different. That is new. Safety Cloud is a big part of that.
We have vehicle to cellular today. We have what we at Stellantis have done and partnered with on HAAS Alert to deliver safety alerts to our customers. But I think this stemmed from an employee innovation idea through our startup program. So there was an employee that was hard of hearing who had a near-death experience with the first responder. She almost collided with it, and we discovered HAAS Alert and started on a proof of concept to validate this technology and see if there would be a fit for it. And very quickly, we were able to determine yes, and get it into production and scale it out to millions of our customers, making their lives safer today.
As you know, like we expect in few years, 100% of the cars will be connected, either through 4G or 5G networks. And this gives consumers an amazing experience, more about situational awareness in the realms of safety, security, and sustainability.
I think that connectivity for real-time alerts going to the driver is absolutely vital. We don't always hear, we don't always see, we're distracted, we're just unknowing.
Previously, cellular connectivity was not really considered a safety application. It was just seen as a crash response proposition. Now we're talking about cellular connectivity being implicated in collision avoidance. That is a sea change, a transformation in the industry, and there's no question HAAS Alert is in the forefront of this change.